The Honda Goldwing has long been known as the heavyweight touring king, a motorcycle that prioritizes long-distance comfort over speed and sleekness. But what happens when someone dares to take that bulky 1986 GL1200 Aspencade and puts it on a crash diet with a double shot of creativity? The answer? A jaw-dropping, gold-drenched cafe racer that looks nothing like its original self. This transformation begins with Peter, the owner and initial builder of the bike, who took a bold first step by stripping away the massive factory bodywork of the Goldwing to expose the bare bones beneath. This was no beginner's mistake. Peter had a vision and started executing it with admirable skill. He handcrafted an aluminum fuel tank from scratch, giving the machine its new svelte silhouette. Then, he moved on to fabricate a cafe racer-style tail section, along with a custom subframe to hold it all together. But what really shows Peter's mechanical courage was his daring move to convert the bike's rear suspension into a monoshock system, a massive shift from the original twin-shock layout. He reworked the swing arm and mounted the shock absorber in parallel, resulting in a stance that looked professionally engineered. His work laid the foundation for what would soon become a next-level custom motorcycle. Enter Noel Muller and the talented crew at Black Cycles, who stepped in to elevate the project into full-blown art. The team refined Peter's initial tank design, shaving off 2 inches in height and stretching it slightly to perfect the proportions. Then came a brand new cafe tail, crafted by Black Cycles and topped with a rich brown leather seat by Carmen's Auto Trimmers. The seat design cleverly extends forward to form a matching tank strap, which adds cohesion to the overall design. A custom front fender was fabricated to match, sitting just below a sleek, high-performance LED headlight. Rear illumination came courtesy of multifunction LEDs mounted on a swing arm-mounted license plate bracket, keeping the tail clean and sharp. The cockpit now features a Moto Gadget Motoscope Mini digital dash mounted cleanly with clip-on handlebars, adjustable levers, and bar-end mirrors to enhance that aggressive cafe stance. Performance wasn't ignored either. The forks were rebuilt and upgraded by XXX-rated suspension, ensuring this reborn Goldwing doesn't just look fast, it handles like a dream too. CNC machined foot pegs give the rider total control, while the big 1182cc flat-4 engine now breathes freely through a custom-built exhaust that gives it a throaty, performance-ready growl. The wheels were powder-coated in satin black and wrapped in Shinko tires for a timeless meets modern vibe. Meanwhile, Pop Bang Classics handled the complete electrical overhaul, making sure the bike functions as good as it looks. And oh, the looks! Black Cycles finished it all in a striking coat of gold paint, bringing literal and metaphorical shine to this incredible build. This isn't just another Honda Cafe racer. It's a complete reimagining of what a Goldwing can become in the right hands. From touring behemoth to custom street stunner, this GL1200 has gone through a dramatic transformation. It's hard to believe it's the same machine underneath. With its blend of craftsmanship, performance, and visual impact, this Goldwing proves that even the most unlikely candidates can be turned into rolling works of art.